So in the previous segment, as you know, we have seen the applications of the questions based on the error analysis. Now let's see more questions based on that. Now the first question reads as, for two resistors R1 and R2 connected in parallel, find the relative error in their equivalent resistance if R1 is 50 plus minus 2 ohm and R2 is 100 plus minus 3 ohm. So let's try to solve this question. Now you must remember that whenever resistors are connected in parallel, so 1 by R equivalent I can write down as 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So for that we can find out the true value for resistances parallel. So R1 value is 50, R2 value is 100. So this is 1 by R equivalent is simply 1 by 50 plus 1 by 100. This will give me R equivalent as 50 into 100 by 150. And if I solve it further, the R equivalent will come out to be, this is 4, this will cancel with 6, and this is 100 by 3. So this is 33.33 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance for this particular question. Now the task is to find out the error limit for this equivalent resistance. Now whenever the main expression is given as 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, you cannot simply take the errors of R equivalent as delta R1 plus delta R2 in this particular case, which we have done earlier in the case of series. Now in this scenario, what we need to do, we need to differentiate this expression. So we have 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 divided by 1 by R2. So for error equation, what we must do, we must differentiate this expression. What do we get? So this is minus dR equivalent by R equivalent square is equal to minus dR1 by R1 square minus dR2 divided by R2 square. Now negative can be taken common and then cancelled from both sides. This is dR equivalent by R equivalent square is dR1 by R1 square plus dR2 by R2 square. Now tell me, what is this quantity dR equivalent, dR1 and dR2? These quantities are respective errors in these particular quantities. So I can write this as delta R equivalent by R equivalent square is equal to delta R1 by R1 square plus delta R2 divided by R2 square. So this is the final expression for the calculation of error in case of parallel combination of a resistor we need to understand. Now from this I can find out the relative error in R equivalent. So this can be as delta R equivalent by R equivalent is equal to, now this R equivalent can be multiplied to this side. So this is delta R1 by R1 square plus delta R2 by R2 square multiplied with R equivalent. I hope this formula is very clear to you. So let's put all the values and find out the required quantity. So as per the question, I need to find out the fractional error in the equivalent resistance that we have delta R by R equivalent, and this is equal to, now the first expression is delta R1, the error in the first resistor, that is 2 ohm. So I can write down this as 2 divided by R1 square. So this is 50 square. So this is 50 into 50. Then addition delta R2. Tell me what is delta R2? Delta R2 is 3, and what is R2? R2 is 100. So I can write it down. This is 3 divided by 100 into 100 and multiplied with R equivalent. So I can write it down as R equivalent. Now if I solve it further, delta R equivalent by R equivalent will simply be, if I take the LCM would be 10,000, and if I take the LCM to be 10,000, this will give me 4 to 8, and this is 8 plus 3 multiplied with 33.33 ohms. So this delta R equivalent by R equivalent will simply be 11 by 10,000 multiplied with 100 by 3, because this 33.33 was actually 100 by 3, and if I solve it up, this will cancel and we are left with delta R equivalent by R equivalent as 11 by 300, and if I solve it up, this will be 0.036. So this is the relative error in the quantity of R equivalent the question is asking to find out. I hope the question is very clear to you. So that's how this kind of question can be solved. So let's move on to the next question. Next question reads as, the error in the measurement of the radii of a sphere is 2%. What will be the error in the calculation of its surface area? So let's try to solve this question. Now tell me, what is the surface area of a sphere? Surface area of a sphere is simply equal to 4 pi r square. So this is actually the surface area. Now I am labeling this area to be A. Now if I ask you a simple question, if area is related to the square of the radius of that particular sphere, what should be the fractional change in A? So from this expression I can clearly see dA by A is simply 2 times dr by r, because the area is directly proportional to square of the radius of that particular sphere. So